The book Discipline Equals Freedom Field Manual by Jocko Willink. Discipline Equals Freedom Field Manual. Jocko Willink Discipline Equals Freedom is no nonsense guide to mastering self discipline and mental toughness. Through practical strategies and a warrior mindset, this book empowers you to overcome the obstacle, take control of your life, and achieve true freedom through discipline. Key lessons and insights. Discipline over motivation. Motivation fades, but discipline is reliable. Building daily habits and routines ensures success even when motivation is low. Take extreme ownership. Own every aspect of your life, your success, failures, and choices. No excuses, just action. Mental toughness is a skill. Strengthen your mind through challenges. The harder the path, the greater the growth. No shortcuts, only hard work. There's no easy way. Show up, put in the effort, and results will follow. Freedom comes from discipline. True freedom, whether in fitness, business, or life, comes from consistent discipline and self control. The 4:30 a.m. rule. Jocko wakes up at 4:30 a.m. daily, proving that discipline starts with owning your morning. No excuses workout. You don't need fancy equipment. Jocko emphasizes body weight exercises and relentless consistency. Mind over comfort. Growth happens when you embrace discomfort. Pushing through pain builds mental and physical resilience. The power of discipline. Jocko Willink emphasizes that discipline is the key to success in every aspect of life. Instead of relying on motivation which fades, consistent discipline builds strength, resilience, and progress. Whether in fitness, business, or personal growth, embracing discipline leads to true freedom and long term success. Memorable quotes. The way to get better is simple, it's through hard work and relentless consistency. Don't count on motivation, count on discipline. Discipline is the root of all qualities, good qualities. Fun takeaways. A warrior mindset. Jocko philosophy revolves around extreme ownership, taking full responsibility for every aspect of life. Timeless discipline. Discipline equal freedom. It's not just a book, it's a lifestyle. The principle of hard work and self control never expire. No shortcuts, no excuses. Forget motivation. Jocko preaches that discipline is the key to success, whether in fitness, business, or growth. Action time. Action time. Today, explore how discipline unlocks freedom. Think about the area in your life where self discipline can help you achieve greater control and freedom. Notice how consistent effort leads to extraordinary results, just as Jocko Willink emphasizes in discipline equals freedom. Commit to daily routine and stick to it. Take responsibility for your actions and outcomes. Observe how discipline leads to freedom in every aspect of life. My golden takeaway. Success is built on the foundation of discipline, consistency, and ownership. By taking control of your actions and eliminating excuses, you create a path to true freedom. Whether it's fitness, leadership, or personal growth, discipline is the key to unlocking your full potential and achieving the long term success.